Most people plan every detail before they travel, myself included, like the flights, hotels, destinations, and even activities. But what if you skip all of that and just showed up at the airport? That's the idea behind a mystery flight experience. There is actually a private jet company that lets you do exactly that. I dropped the link in the description if you're so curious now. But yes, you just choose your departure city, your budget, and your travel date, and they handle the rest. You won't even know where you're flying until shortly before takeoff. It's spontaneous, private, and luxurious. There's no over planning, no stress. Just pack your bag and you're ready to go. Links in the description if you want to try it yourself.